We hear a lot, Lewis, from the American right about how lack of healthcare coverage doesn't lead to anybody dying. We now have the story from newsok.com of a 53-year-old man from Norman, Oklahoma, who died alone in his apartment. Heart attack and heart troubles were among the suspected causes, but according to the report, a neighbor explained that Mr. Allen was afraid to call 911 because of how much it might cost him to go to the emergency room. This is as told by Allen's neighbor, Lori, to newsok.com. Why didn't you call 911? Lori asked him. I don't have insurance, he said. She told him, it doesn't matter. You can still go and get help. And he said, if I die, I die. Land of the free, home of the brave, yet this exists here and not in so many other countries that have figured out that our system of for-profit, employer-connected health insurance is just not the right system. It's not the moral system, and it's not the fiscally conservative system either, Lewis. And it's just such a sad story. He just didn't call 911 ever because he just was too afraid of the cost. He couldn't afford it. He didn't have insurance, and now he's dead.
Right. I would just remind people that there are countries on this planet where you never have to even think about money when thinking about healthcare, when thinking about operations, procedures, preventive care. Money just isn't even part of the equation ever.
Some politicians, almost exclusively American Republicans, will tell you that deaths from lack of care don't really exist. Of course, that's not true at all. Nearly 45,000 annual deaths are associated with lack of health insurance, according to a study published by the American Journal of Public Health back in 2009. The party that claims this isn't an issue, the party that wants an even more for-profit driven capitalistic system of healthcare, is the same party that calls themselves pro-life and pro-family and the party of morals. What is even remotely pro-life, pro-family, and moral about this system that they blindly defend? Absolutely nothing. We are member supported, and there's a whole other show that we do just for our supporters. Get all of those member benefits right now by going to davidpakman.com/membership.